Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove SD card from a DJI Pocket 2. And to do this we'll need to look on the left side of our camera, right here. And now simply take the SD card. You don't need any adapter, just a straight out SD card and place it just like that. Sorry, upside down. Now use your finger to push the card in. Make sure that you hear the click sound. Now to remove it, simply click on it again with something thin or your fingernail, and it should be easy to remove. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.